Do you ever feel like you're hitting a ceiling, literally, when you're trying to reach your shoulders overhead? It's frustrating, and it might be keeping you from doing things that you enjoy. But what if I told you the problem isn't in your shoulders? It's actually your shoulder blades and thoracic spine. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 exercises to instantly unlock your shoulders overhead, while also easing the pain in the shoulders and improving how you're moving. Let's dive in. I'm Dr. Joey Seyforth, online shoulder rehab specialist, and if you want to address the root cause behind your pain in the shoulders, you need to focus on the shoulder blades and thoracic spine together. Your shoulder blades are like the foundation of a house. They need to glide and rotate properly to allow your shoulders to move overhead. If they're stiff or unstable, the shoulder has to make up that motion or provide that stability, leading to pain or dysfunction in that shoulder. So we have our shoulder blade right here, and we have our shoulder. If our shoulder blade's not upwardly rotating enough, this is what happens. As we rotate, that ball is getting compressed between the shoulder and shoulder blade right there. That's where we're getting that impingement. The impingement can be on different tissues. It could be on bursa. If we look at this side, if we actually get the shoulder blade to upwardly rotate the entire way to that 60 degrees right there, we can lift our arm all the way up. We no longer have that impingement. We can also reach across our body and reach back, and that's going to significantly offload the shoulder and make it feel a lot better. Now, your thoracic spine, the upper part of your back, is just as important. Think of it as a bridge connecting your shoulder blades to the rest of your body. If this area lacks mobility, it will limit how well your shoulder blades and shoulders can move together. Another big area that has to be addressed is the thoracic spine. The thoracic spine starts below the neck and goes all the way down like that. If we're not having the proper extension in it, if we're flexed like this, we can only raise our shoulders up so much. If we can get that extension all the way there, we're able to lift our shoulder into all those positions more freely and smoother. The bottom line is, if you want to reach your arms overhead pain-free, you need to address the shoulder blades and thoracic spine together. Check out these 5 exercises that you can do today to start providing relief. The 5 exercises that I'm about to show you will accomplish that. The first exercise is one of my favorites and is called a wall slide. You're going to head over to the wall, putting one foot in front of the other and your hands on the wall, making sure that your forearms are not touching. You're going to slide your arms up the wall, allowing your shoulder blades to move up and around and leaning your chest forward at the top. Let the wall do the work. You're simply using it to assist the shoulders and shoulder blades as you're raising your arms overhead. Complete 2 sets of 10 of this exercise. I know you're struggling with shoulder pain and you obviously want to fix it, so text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 and I'll send you my free shoulder pain fix demo. Now back to the show. This next exercise is pivotal in the shoulder rehab process by creating more space for the shoulder to breathe. This exercise is a banded inferior mobilization for the shoulder. You're going to place the band over your shoulder and then you're going to step on the band. As it's pulling your shoulder down, you're going to have more space in the front of the shoulder. From there, you're going to raise your arm forward into shoulder flexion, moving through whatever motion feels good. You're going to notice a stretch and a glide of the shoulder joint as you're doing this. Complete 2 sets of 10 of this exercise, noticing how it frees up the shoulder as you're lifting overhead. The next exercise is going to address lat and thoracic spine mobility with an exercise called the bench opener. You're going to kneel in front of a bench or chair. Make sure to grab a broomstick as you're doing this. While you're in that kneeling position, you're going to be holding the broomstick or PVC pipe with your palms up. Next, you are going to rock your butt back and allowing your chest to come forward as you're moving. You're going to feel a deep stretch in your lat muscles on the side, as well as your upper thoracic spine. 2 crucial areas that need to have great mobility when lifting overhead. Complete 2 sets of 8 of this exercise, holding and taking a deep breath at the bottom for 2 to 3 seconds. The next exercise is going to be tying a lot of things together. We're going to bring the neck, thoracic spine, shoulder, and shoulder blades together for this one. It's called a windmill plus lift off. For this exercise, you're going to get into a half kneel position and making sure that your hip is connected to the wall. From there, you're going to slide your arm up the wall, making sure that you follow your eyes with your hands as you move into a rainbow pattern. Once you get to that end range position, if you are able to, you are going to lift your shoulder and hand off the wall. Hold for a second or two, return to the wall, and reverse the motion back to the starting position. This exercise can be spicier than it looks. Complete 2 sets of 10 on each side, taking note if one side is able to rotate better than the other. This could be leading to why you're having that shoulder pain in the first place. The last exercise is a staple into my routine when I'm lifting overhead. It is called a lat eccentric. What we're doing with this exercise is strengthening and also stretching out the lats at the same time. You're gonna grab a dumbbell or a PVC pipe for this exercise. You're gonna keep your back flat while you're laying down on a bench. From there, you're going to raise your arms above your head, making sure that you are not arching in your low back and that you are focusing on the cue to flatten the back and keep your ribs down. This is going to stretch out the lats and make sure that you're not compensating with this motion. Tightness in the lats can lead to common things such as arching as you're lifting overhead. If you feel like you're having to get that extension in your low back, it's likely due to the stiffness in your lat muscles. Complete 3 sets of 8 of this exercise. And there it is. 5 essential exercises that are going to unlock the shoulders, shoulder blades, and thoracic spine and allow you to lift your arms overhead. Although these exercises can be beneficial for so many people that are struggling with shoulder pain, these are not the long-term solution for what you have going on. A specific assessment needs to be done to screen different areas, and the neck, thoracic spine, shoulder blade, first rib, or any nerve tension that could be impacting the pain that you're experiencing in the shoulder. Without doing a proper assessment, you're not sure the next progressions or modifications you have to do to eliminate the shoulder pain for good. If you're ready to play some offense on the shoulder pain and you've tried things such as physical therapy, injections, surgeries, and you're still dealing with that pain, then text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Our mission at Comeback Performance is to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, and surgeries, and get their lives back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily content based on your guys' questions on shoulder-related topics regarding pain and rehab. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.